Welcome to Geography class, GCSE, Cold Environments, Adaptations. Cold Environments, Adaptation. The plants and animals have adapted to the cold, dry climate. Plants in tundra environments have adapted to survive the extreme cold and strong winds. They must also endure the dry winter conditions when all moisture is frozen and wet summer conditions when the top layer of soil thaws and the ground becomes moggy and waterlogged. Most plants become dormant, inactive to survive the cold, dark winters. Plants are low growing and round shaped to provide protection from the wind. Most plants have shallow roots because of the layer of permafrost beneath the soil layer. Leaves are generally small to limit the amount of moisture lost through transpiration. The warmer, wetter summer is very short, so most plants have adapted to have a growing season of just 50 to 60 days. Many plants reproduce using underground runners or bulbs to cope with the cold and because the growing season is short. Animals in cold environments have also adapted to the cold, dry, snowy conditions. Animals in cold environments tend to be well insulated. They might have thick fur like polar bears or a layer of blubber like seals. This reduces the amount of energy they have to use to keep warm. Some animals hibernate to conserve energy and survive the winter. Example: Arctic underground squirrels hibernate for 7 to 8 months of the year and can survive even if their body temperatures drop below freezing. Animals that do not hibernate have adapted to survive on the limited food source available. Example: reindeer eat lichens during the winter. Many birds migrate to warmer areas for the winter. Example: Arctic terns live in the Arctic during the northern hemisphere summer, then fly to the Antarctic for the northern hemisphere summer. Many animals grow white winter coats for camouflage. This helps predators to sneak up on their prey and helps prey to hide in the snow. Example: some weasels, also called ermine, Arctic fox, and Arctic hares. Cold environments have low biodiversity. Cold environments have very low biodiversity, particularly Antarctica. There are fewer species of plants and animals in cold environments than most other environments. Low biodiversity means when the population of one species changes, it can affect the population of dependent species. Example: changes to the lemming population will affect the population of the predators. Example: Arctic fox. Global warming is causing some species to move towards the poles, where it is colder. In response to temperature rises in their natural habitat, species already adapted to Polar environments cannot go anywhere colder, so are at risk of decline or extinction if climate change causes the polar areas to warm up too much. Thanks for watching, and like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and like,